Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you how you can fix your problem. So if you just receive error when you're using your Facebook, you can't use this feature right now. So why you see this error and how you can also fix it. So first thing you need to know that mostly it happened because Facebook just temporarily blocks the section from you. So you mostly it's just temporary block. So you need to wait some time until until Facebook will unblock the section for you. Sometimes it takes a few hours, sometimes few days. It depends on situation, but also you need to know that mostly it's just temporary block. So just wait until Facebook will unblock this for you. But also you can try to use another device for using Facebook and using this feature, or you can try to change your network. So if you receive this error when you're using cellular data, just try to use Wi-Fi and turn off cellular data. And if you receive this error on Wi-Fi, just try to turn off Wi-Fi and turn on mobile data or cellular data. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.